Acne is more than just a skincare concern. It can also be painful, persistent, and uncomfortable to the person who develops it. While prescription and other medicinal treatments can work, they may also contain harsh ingredients that can dry out the surrounding skin. Those looking for more natural remedies or for something that will clean the skin more deeply may turn to mask applications. For centuries, people have used honey as a medicinal treatment. The compound has been used to treat dandruff, psoriasis, burns, and fungal infections. Honey is also added to many skincare products. The main reason for using honey and cinnamon to treat acne is because it can help to kill the bacteria that contribute to inflamed pores. Cinnamon is full of helpful nutrients that can treat and cure most skin problems. Well, today I'm gonna share with you this magic mask for face. Honey and cinnamon face masks are great for healing the skin over the course of time. These ingredients are full of anti-inflammatory properties that remove the toxins from the skin and makes it healthier. Here's how to make the mask. All we need here is 2 teaspoons of honey and 1 teaspoon of organic cinnamon powder. Mix the honey and cinnamon powder together in a bowl and blend them together using a spoon. Make sure there are no lumps in the mixture. Once your mixture is ready, apply the mixture on your face and let it stay for about 20 minutes. Then remove the mask using a wet tissue and rinse your face thoroughly after that. Apply this mask 2 times a week to get rid of dull and dehydrated skin. And make sure that your skin is clean before using face mask. Regular application of this mask can help you make your skin moistured and soft. It also removes spots and scars on your face, making it clear and radiant. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.